everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Today I am unboxing Discover Beauty Box, which is made by HSN. This is a discovery sample box of different products that HSN sells. HSN is the home shopping network, if you did not know. So these are products that they sell on HSN. You get to get a sample of them. The box costs $25 and it has a variety of products inside. They did send a little paper here with a little information about the products that you have in this box. So we're going to get right into this. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. I hope you enjoy yourself. We're going to go through the products in this box. I do weekly postings of videos. I do unboxings, lifestyle boxes, beauty boxes, hauls, home decor, and more. So thanks for stopping by. Get your glass of wine, your tea, whatever you drinking. Let's get into this. So this is the box, guys. And when I open it up, this is what I see. So they got a lot of little tissue paper. We'll toss that over there. So let's get started. The first product that I'm going to pull out, what is this? This is Pride Beauty, and this is the Throat and Decollete Cream. So it doesn't have any prices in here, guys, just to let you know. So let's see what this one is. Pride Beauty, Pride, where are you? So Pride's Ageless Throat and Decollete Cream. This is a 0.5 fluid ounces. It does tell you what products are in here. I do know this is for women of a more mature age group. This is supposed to help you if you have like a bunch of little, wrinkles or around your neck or starting to look wizzled. This is supposed to help improve the look of your neck and this decollete area around here. So that is where our first product is. The second product I have a product by Clinique. I don't remember them selling Clinique, but they probably do. I just don't remember. So what is this that we have here by Clinique? This is a almost lipstick in black honey. So let's see what it looks like. So this is the color, guys, of the lipstick. And let's see if I can give you a nice little sample. Now this is a nice color for me. It's kind of light. Yeah, I'm not getting enough out to really show you. So this is how it came out. So I think you're going to have to kind of rub it on your lips quite a bit to get some color. But for me, it looks like a nice sheer lip color, which would be perfect for me. So I generally like stuff with like a little bit of color. So this would be perfect for me. Yeah, it doesn't say. It's made in Belgium. That's all I can tell you. So that's product number 2. The next item I'm going to pull out is, who makes this one? Benefit. Oh, I love Benefit products. I love their Damn Girl mascara. That is my favorite one. But this one here is Roller Lash. This is a sculpting, curling, and lifting mascara. We have the color black. Let's take it out of the box here. So hook and roll brush, patented pencil hook and roll designs and position, catches, lifts, and curls. Alright. I like Benefit stuff. I don't know about the rest of you. This is like a full-size product to me. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at this. Wow. And look, this is, I've never seen this one before. So this is how the applicator comes out, guys, just so you can kind of have a look. And oh wow, I can't wait to try that one. Let's see, does it give you any information? No, not really. It just tells you the ingredients, but it's Benefit product, and there is packaging inside of the Benefit box here if you want to know a little bit more. Yeah, so they give you all of this information inside your packaging with Benefit to tell you a little bit more about the product. But that's good, because I know generally, like with their other Damn Girl mascara that I really love, I think that one is well over $25. So if they gave you a full one of these, that's pretty good. We're going to go right to our next product. Now, Korres. I love Korres products. I've been a Korres fan for the longest. So this is one of the olive oil brand ones. This is the body cream called Ginger Mint, and you are getting a 1.3 fluid ounce product. I love their products. They keep your skin so nice and soft. Especially your feet. Like if you get a pedicure, I love putting their lotions on your feet. They keep your feet so nice and soft, make your pedicure last so much longer. So if you have not tried Korres products, go get you some. You'll be a believer too. So what a nice surprise. Love that one. What is this? This is a sample. Oh, okay. All right, I got some that fell apart here. So let me slide it back in place. So we have a perfume from Iman. It's called Love Memoirs. I've never smelled this, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it. It has a nice scent to it. I like it. You get a sample. Just the sample size of the product. Love Memoir by Iman is a celebration of Iman's memories with her true love. It's a love story about moments that matter and a journey of internal love. That's nice. I don't know. Any of you guys tried any of this before? Is this a brand new product from Iman? I'm not exactly certain. I'm not familiar with hearing of this before, so it could be a new launch kind of product. But if you tried it, let me know what you guys think about this one. The next thing we have in here is Beekman 1802. So they do a lot of products with the goat milk. I've never tried anything from their line. So what we have here is called Into the Woods, and this is a milk hand cream, which I always need because, like, with all this hand washing and antibacterial soaps, my hands have taken a beating with dryness. I heard their products are really, really good, so I'm really happy to try it. I hope Into the Woods does not smell manny, but I'm sure it has a seal on it, so I probably can't smell nothing. Yes, it has a safety seal, so I'm not going to bother to open it until I'm ready to use it. So what size is this? This is, looks like another 1 point. This is 2 fluid ounces, guys. So this one is a 2 fluid ounce hand cream by Beekman 1802. And the next thing we have, what is this? Lancome. So it has it all in this little bag to make sure nobody's opened it, which is great. Is this the Genifique? Yes, this is the Genifique. And I know this is like I think this is a serum if I remember correctly from their line. Let's see. Lancome Genifique. This is 0.27 ounces. So clearly this is just enough for you to try it out. I don't know if you're going to get enough results to say I want to buy it, but you do get to try it. So Lancome generally makes great products. So I can't wait to try that one. And we did get a few samples. This is Smashbox. What is this? Vitamin Glow Primer. Photo finish with vitamin B, C, and D. So it's just a sample packet. Nothing impressive. And what else is in here? Is this the last thing? I believe so. What is this called? Bacoli. I messed this all up. Anywho, this is I think it's Bacoli and Biotic Serum. You get a little sample packet here. Does it say what it's supposed? It's supposed to help restore skin, plump, smooth appearance, resilient texture, and Mindful Beauty for Active Life. I'm not familiar with them. I haven't tried any of their products, but this is a very small size. And guys, that's my box. So we got a sample of, we got 2 of these. I hate these, but you know, I hate to get these little sample things like this only because it's not really enough to know if you really like it. That would be my only complaint about getting these little things, but I know it was just a sample box from HSN. So the Genifique, okay, I think that's enough to actually try out to see if you might want to purchase it, but these two, I don't think this is going to be enough for me to even make up my mind, because they're too tiny. You're only going to use them once. The Iman, at least it's enough sprays. I could spray it a few times to see if I really like it. So that's a plus. The Benefit, the lashes, oh, this was a plus. This made the box for me, along with the Coraz. So those are my favorites, and the Beekman, because I've heard great things about this and I haven't tried the product, so I get to try this one. And then the Pride. Now I am a little bit older, but I'm not that old. I'm not to the point I have problems with my neck. I think my neck still looks pretty good. What you guys think? But it'll prevent wrinkles and what they said, the tree trunk lines around your neck. I'll slather a little on now. I'm not afraid to slather something on just to prevent it. So so if it can keep my neck looking youthful and how it looks now, and my decollet, we good to go. So I'll try it out. And then we have the Clinique, the lip color here. So, and it's pretty light, so that works for me. I think this is a great color for my skin. Overall, for 25 bucks, I'm pretty happy with this sample discovery pack that they got from HSN. If it's still available, you guys can check it out. They did it for their birthday month in July. So if you haven't tried out some of these products, I figured this was a great way to kind of try out some stuff. So guys, let me know if you thought it was worth my 25 bucks, or should I kept my 25 bucks in my pocket. But I thought it was good just for the three things, along with the Benefit mascara, the Coraz lotion. Those are all great things that I really like and enjoy. So hit me up for my next video. I do unboxings every week. I appreciate you stopping by to check out my channel. I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks you, and bye bye.